A couple of weird little experiments. The last one is jaw-dropping. Pour some alcohol on the sand. Pour the sugar and soda mixture over the top. Lid it. A magnificent pharaoh snake summons. Place 2 magnets on each side of the cup. You see the amazing phenomenon of a tornado in the water. Mix expired milk and Coke. The Coke has become transparent. The juice from the orange peel. You can imagine how powerful it is. Put the matches into the bottle. Put a hard-boiled egg on the top of the bottle. The egg was swallowed into the bottle. Draw a magnet at the negative end of the battery. Put a copper coil on it. This is what keeps the electric wheel spinning. Put the candles in the water tray. Light it and button the cup. The water will pour into the glass. Pour baking soda into the balloons on a bottle of white vinegar. Mix white vinegar and baking soda. The balloon was blown up. Put an ice grape in ice water. You'll see the water freeze around the grapes. Feel the force of the water into ice.